A trend doesn't suddenly reverse. It leaves clues. Most traders notice the reversal after it has already happened, but one simple change in price structure often appears much earlier. Last time, we learned that healthy trends create healthy sequences. Higher highs, higher lows. But what happens when that sequence breaks? A healthy uptrend continues, making higher highs and higher lows. As long as this sequence remains intact, buyers stay in control. Now watch carefully. Price fails to hold the previous higher low. Instead, it breaks below it. This is called a break of structure. It doesn't guarantee a reversal, but it tells us the trend may no longer be healthy. The same principle works in reverse. In a healthy downtrend, sellers keep making lower highs and lower lows. But when price breaks above the previous lower high, the structure changes. Let's see it on a real chart. Notice the healthy trend. Everything looks normal until this swing. Price breaks the previous structure. That's the first warning, not the final confirmation. Many beginners see one break of structure and immediately assume the trend has reversed. That's a mistake. A break of structure is information, not a trading signal by itself. Let's see your understanding. Has the structure broken? Think before you answer. No, it is not broken. Trends don't end without changing their structure first. The next time you open a chart, don't just look at direction. Watch the structure, because structure changes before trends do. In the next episode, we'll learn how to tell the difference between a real breakout and a false breakout. Until then, read the chart, understand the story. Remember, indicators can help you make decisions, but price tells you the story.